Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Freshdesk full guide step by step clearly. To install Freshdesk, start by opening your web browser. Navigate to the Freshdesk website. Click on the sign up button located on the top right corner. Fill in the required fields, including your email address and password. Select your company name and click Next. Choose a Freshdesk plan that suits your business needs. After selecting a plan, click on the Start Free Trial button. You will receive a confirmation email at the address you provided. Open the email and click on the verification link. Once verified, log in to your Freshdesk account. Upon logging in, you will be directed to the Freshdesk dashboard. Set up your support email address in the settings. Navigate to the admin section on the left sidebar. Click on Email under the Channels section. Add your support email address and follow the prompts. Next, customize your help desk settings according to your preferences. Go to Admin and then General Settings. Adjust the ticket settings to your liking. Set up your teams and assign roles within the Team section. To add agents, click on Agents under the Team tab. Enter the details for each agent you wish to add. Now, explore the automation options in the Automation section. Set rules for ticket assignments and notifications. Integrate any necessary third-party apps using the Apps section. Test your setup by creating a sample ticket. Navigate back to the dashboard to view your newly created ticket. Monitor the ticket flow to ensure everything is working smoothly. Familiarize yourself with the reporting and analytics features. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.